It was snowing so hard, so you guys already know. I had to cover up my camera and go out there and find things to take pictures of. I saw this guy walking towards me, so I turned around and tried incorporating this Christmas bar that has some ornaments and bright lights, as I thought it would add to the vibe with the snow falling down heavy and hard. I had a ton of fun shooting during the storm, so if you guys want to see a full uncut video with the music I was listening to over it, comment below and I will start working on it if enough of you guys want to see that. I edited the picture in black and white as well as color, so be sure to let me know which is your favorite.